machita sencola bafethu eseyibhola ibuyile machita sisikhathi ngoku sake sikwazi ngoku sesibuyele wesi sifunayo singase kupretenda iTV ba okay uhlele iTV wenziwe ngathi unomdla wayo kanti ukukule way ibhola ibuyile ngoku ne remote ngoku ubone izoba yakho, especially if ngobhadala DStv endlini ubone I remote izaba nguwe ngokuba okay yini nafaka ni match ubone Tuesday Wednesday ngolu 7 uzaba khona games at the same time obviously na weekend. So yeah, DStv Premiership ibuyile. I think ngokusheke about 19 days, yeah, but okay say DStv Premiership iqale muzaqala Sundowns neSekhukhune United on a Friday nge4th August, and then Kaizer Chiefs yona lesinqola ngayo apha idlala Sunday nge6 August. So yeah, sizothetha nge-fixtures zeKaizer Chiefs z5 for the first 5 fixtures fixtures eziphumile zeKaizer Chiefs. Then predict about okay match izodlala njani but game result izoma njani. We never know what's going to especially ngo Kaizer Chiefs ngajali, but ibone players ni isepa Kaizer Chiefs izininzi sekhona from last season also like kwezi team Chiefs akala nazo senazo players izipha and bone conditions stadium newe bone azuchange every. So based on that ngakwazi ukwenza prediction ke ngo. Otherwise if iqala ubana channel le content machita ungalali jo ezansi khona indawo emhlophe bhale subscribe ngocofa pause uthola videos machita. Kaizer Chiefs game yokuqala izodlala at home Chippa United. Yeah, last season Chippa yayile pha elanduza eFNB Stadium fika yathola iwin phayawina pha Chippa United yathi Kaizer Chiefs 2-1. So players the chief and technical staff the Chippa most as sekhona pha players the technical staff, so la confidence ise pha plus bone nebixene ne game plan yayishawe ngayo Kaizer Chiefs esekhona pha. So iChippa ya izoba na chance pha for okay maybe ngathola result yabo isifini bekhona ne players intsha ngo Chippa like bone is experience and bone is so big team Lovuyo Memela Craig Martin so Orlando Pirates plus no Augustine Mulenga so Orlando Pirates. So yeah, Chiefs are more dangerous, but Chiefs I don't think saying ngolunga lo disaster about say first match of the season idlala team iphansi relegate last season and then you lose the game FNB inokwenzeka lo disaster. So yeah, Chiefs I think they ingawina phala they win the game. Yeah, first win Kaizer Chiefs, I give it to you on. Then second game Kaizer Chiefs izotravelisha away izoya kwizinje ezinkulu Mamelodi Sundowns Loftus. If you accumulate last season Chiefs bone yenzela swag ba bone yacleanwa by clean Chiefs ba benzela swag Loftus 4-0. This season izaba ngomnye 4-0. I think Chiefs are more cautious ngokubona izoba open izoba manage a game and then be more tight, and then some Sundowns counter attack, especially with players ezifana no Ashley Dupree no Daiding no Potsane abantu abanesitulo bakwazi ukujuluka machita suka eziyazivula impondo eziya wingers Chiefs nespeed ngoku yabo. So pile of that Chiefs is over tight and then it says Sundowns give break Dupree speed sakhe no Potsane speed sakhe against defenders fana no Grant Kekana no Mvala like bone suppose by say Chiefs kwazi ulanduza pha panisha Sundowns, but Sundowns in a too much creativity ne fluidity pha center line, I mean kula forward line yayo. So Sundowns yakwazi ukcreate goals, score ne goals, and shaluli yamazi la mntu lo ayise uyaphangela lo ayise defenders kuse so zingenza mistake ufaka under pressure uyapressa. So as much as the Chiefs izoba more cautious this time, but still izokiwa Sundowns machita. So third game Chiefs izoba away to TS Galaxy so eMpumalanga Kaizer Chiefs Pana I think izowina Kaizer Chiefs again, like bone say Chiefs kweza players fana eMpumalanga Durban Cape Town team vele kuthi gqi big crowd man, and then say bone TS Galaxy izokuthuka nayo, and then sebone aggression yefans Kaizer Chiefs gcwele stadium ndona imbombela pha eMpumalanga. yeah, crowd is gonna be too much for TS Galaxy, and then they say Kaizer Chiefs nayo bona kusekwamachita amatsha phasi bonakalisa ayizopanishwa TS Galaxy. Kaizer Chiefs is a winner third game yayo, so ubona 2 wins in 3 games. And then game yesine Chiefs izoba at home to AmaZulu. We find yenzekile last season Chiefs dlale namaZulu kayi-3 and then khange wakhe AmaZulu igame ezi-2 yabazi draws and then ke ngo Chiefs yashaywa 4-0 ngamaZulu. Yabo by disaster leyo uzwane ophansi wa Maqotho again lo game. So again AmaZulu okay coach entsha ngoku and AmaZulu azirelease players needs, so yeah, continuity ayikho pa. So yeah, let's say the game ngaba draw, especially la FNB akuzoba big crowd for Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, ngathi izoba draw AmaZulu Chiefs. At the same time ngifuna unika too many wins Kaizer Chiefs ngakayiboni ba okay nandoni ibonisa predictor nje ngo. And then game yokuhlanu yogqibela izoba away for Kaizer Chiefs the first 5 games izohamba eStellenbosch Cape Winelands. But I think the game nobizawusiwe eThlone because kusesakhumbula last season kwenzeka amasimba eStellenbosch. Kaizer Chiefs ayipha and then yojonga defend the Chiefs aphansi zayi stadium asihlukuhle stadium sabancinci in eStellenbosch. Yeah, I decided about okay Kaizer Chiefs ingathi ayisuziphinde idlale eDStv Stadium because fans ezininzi vele ziyebaleni zingena amatikiti and then ngiseyamachita demand uthenga amatikiti pha stadium and athengiswa amatikiti stadium okanye if athengiswa amatikiti stadium then like a stadium I think starta like 15 to 18,000 capacity, then if lifike mhlawumbe ifans 30,000 pha and then iseyamachita funa uthenga amatikiti and then atyhala izinto and iseStellenbosch down encinci and then apha stadium singaphakathi down encinci, so xa ungena pha like ukho i-street ezinarrow and ezincinci futhi, so vele kuthi gqi madoda amaninzi eKaizer Chiefs and kusezinye ezingqelile and sizinomsindo and sifuna ubona iKaizer Chiefs vele bekho i-distraction nje bekho i-crisis by stadium and kuyenzeka lo win and eStellenbosch amabhola eStellenbosch aphambana yaba i-crisis nyanyani. So I don't think iStellenbosch izophinda iseKaizer Chiefs eDenny, but in terms of fixtures to apha eStellenbosch sizoya the game izodlala pha eDenny, so sabona bazakwenza kanjani. Maybe it's Athlone Stadium. Cape Town Stadium is available for the next 2 months because yeah, construction wenzekayo phana kuzoba ku-event enkulu ngo-October, so the event kusalungiswa for yona ngoku i-event in October, so Cape Town Stadium not available, maybe Athlone Stadium ke. Otherwise yeah 5, so yeah prediction of the game Chiefs Stellenbosch away. Yeah, Chiefs will win that game, especially if it's a suicide in Craven, because when Stellenbosch can't was utilization Kaizer Chiefs last season. I think by 3 times, 1 cup, MTN 8, the Chiefs are winning penalty per game, and then Chiefs are pinning a Shire Stellenbosch pa. I think I was 3-1. Kumula kon at Stellenbosch is a mistake by punish Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are punish Stellenbosch. Yeah, and then Chiefs are pinning angathi asiki Stellenbosch FNB, so yeah, ingathi Stellenbosch ayikwadilishana Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe match icinga lawo ebayijonga, maybe angasana Kaizer Chiefs because bona Stellenbosch ne-Chiefs bona zikopolile mos ndiyazi, but yeah Stellenbosch masikwadilishana Kaizer Chiefs, so Chiefs another win. So basically ndithi Kaizer Chiefs is a winner 3 games for the first 5 matches and then draw 1 and then kill 1 Sundowns. Yeah, so nina machitani bona njani ezi predictions nasinqola pha i-comments machitani bakusendiva banithini nina predictions zami bone sendi predictor ingekhoyo okanye yavumelana bone sikhiphani sinqola pha i-comments manje senza lo web le channel. If uqala ukubana le channel le content ungalahla ijo ezantsi bhala subscribe cofa pha kondawo mhlawumbe bhala subscribe cofa pha uzothola videos moja bafethu.